Hello there and welcome to this series where I teach you everything you need to know about your motorcycle in short episodes. In today's episode, paddock stands. They're one of the must-haves for every bike owner out there. You can find a set of these for anywhere between $50 to $200. The cheaper ones are a bit flimsy, but they will get the job done. Most sets will provide you with these attachments. Make sure you use the correct one for your bike. These are for the bobbins on your bike. Don't have those? Don't worry, these work just as well. Screw them in loosely to set up the paddock stand for your bike. Once you have found the correct length, tighten the screws for these attachments. Keep the paddock stand firmly against your bridge or bobbins. Now you can let go of your bike as long as you hold pressure on the paddock stand. Push down with your weight on the rear of the paddock stand and the bike lifts up. Congratulations, you have just used your paddock stand. It isn't as difficult as it seems. Unless you're a bit short, then life is maybe a bit more difficult, but hey, you will get the job done. To remove the paddock stand, just do everything in reverse order. Make sure to have your side stand out and lift the paddock stand up gently. Holding it at the rotation point before completely removing the paddock stand and letting the bike fall onto its side stand. Here's a quick tip. You can stand on the opposite side of your side stand. That way your bike can never fall over. For the front paddock stand, it is basically the same. You will need these adapters to fit into the holes in your forks near the axle. Because you always use the front paddock stand in conjunction with the rear stand, getting the bike up and off of its front stand is a breeze. So now you know how to use a paddock stand to clean and lube your chain or any other maintenance. If you like watching these short videos and find them helpful, consider subscribing and letting me know what videos you would like to see in future episodes of this series. Enjoy the other videos on my channel and don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next one.